Cochlear implants. Introduction. Please point to the cochlea. Choose one of the following options. Correct. The vibrations sent to the inner ear are then relayed to a special organ inside the inner ear known as the cochlea. Does a cochlear implant restore normal hearing? Select yes or no. Correct. Hearing through a cochlear implant is different from normal hearing, but it allows many people to recognize warning signals and enjoy a conversation in person or by telephone. Counseling is done before a patient receives a cochlear implant to make sure that they are a good candidate for the device. Select true or false. Correct. Getting a cochlear implant is a big commitment. Counseling makes sure the patient is a good candidate for the surgery and will follow through with therapy. Is the entire cochlear implant surgically implanted under the skin behind the ear? Select yes or no. Correct. Only part of the implant is placed surgically under the skin. This includes the receiver stimulator and electrode array. What is a possible complication of having a cochlear implant surgically placed? Choose one of the following options. 1. Fluid leaks. 2. Nerve injury. 3. Problems with the ears such as numbness. 4. All of the above. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.